Composure, composure, composure. Look at the teeth. Look at the teeth. Look at the teeth. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier. Today we're gonna be watching The Substance. So this is another in the Oscar movies for the Best Picture nomination. So we have some of them are in theaters right now, so can't give you a reaction to them as of right now. So Wicked is already up on the channel. This is The Substance. Planning to do Dune 2. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to do Emilia Perez. That one has been getting a lot of bad reviews, so yeah, I don't know, we'll see about that one, but definitely this one. So I'm just gonna go quickly into it. I do know that it's Demi Moore in it. Like something about she gets some drug. She's an actress or some kind of person like that, and she is getting some drug or whatever to be younger, and it's a horror movie, stuff like that. Alright, so the synopsis on movie says, have you ever dreamt of a better version of yourself? You, only better in every way. You should try this new product, The Substance. It changed my life. And they say their take on it: with sharp wit and cathartic intensity, Coralie Fargeat turns toxic beauty culture inside out in a mind-blowing latest feature. Powered by a career-best performance from Demi Moore, The Substance fearlessly bulldozes its way into the midnight movie pantheon and the feminist canon. Interesting. We'll see. Let's get into it. Oh, good quality sound there. For the squeezing. Yeah, the Foley. Magnificent. Very cool.
Elisabeth! Here, Elisabeth! We love you! Please, Elisabeth! Right here, we love you! Love you, Elisabeth! Please, get another way! Over here! Elisabeth, we love you!
Remember her?
She was in that movie,
Okay, so her star has faded.
He owes me $20.
Interesting that they only put like her on there, you know, saying that the other people, because it's like she's the focus of everything there, right there. That was a very, what's the word I'm looking for?
You got
I don't know what the word. That's a good metaphor of her career, right? Yeah.
Hang in there, ladies, you got it! But in the meantime, take care of yourself.
I'll try. There is an actual pictures of Demi Moore in this. Cool.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Young girl in this fucking town in the next few weeks.
Oh, he's in this movie. He's a quid, right?
We need
I
her
think.
young. We need her hot. We need her now. I don't give a fuck what we promised her.
Interesting.
This is network TV.
Shot there, chosen there. It's like right in our face.
Find me somebody
man.
new now.
How old is Jennifer? You better get busy.
Dude didn't even wash his hands. What a... Oh, man. Worst kind of person, man. Worst kind of person. Ugh.
just love that. I mean, that's just the way it is. Always ask for something new. Renewal?
Okay, alright.
Oh! I'm sorry, I gotta run.
Oh, this guy is disgusting. But also, the shots, the cinematography, and the sound, and then this, like, the picture of the fly dying. I think that's the fly is supposed to be her drowning. Okay. Intriguing. I am intrigued. Are they taking down her? Oh. Whoa. Did not expect that.
Well, it's your lucky day, Miss Sparkle, because we have x-rayed you from head to toe, and you don't have so much as a cracked molar. So, you are good to go. Oh, hey, it's your birthday. Happy birthday.
I don't think she's... Yeah, she's not in the best state of mind right now, bro.
Have a good... bye.
That, nurse, he's gonna come back to her.
One moment.
Oh. What's this guy doing?
No, it's perfect. You're a good candidate. I mean, you're good to go.
How did she end up with no broken bones or anything? Like, whoa, she is lucky. I did not expect her to be like A-okay right after. Oh, okay. Aha. We're getting into it. So...
Lizzie?
Oh,
Fred from 10th grade homeroom.
that was like 40 years ago, bro. How's she supposed to remember that?
You haven't changed a bit. You're still the most beautiful girl in the whole wide world. Maybe for a drink sometime, now that we're,
Slow your roll there. This... Bro, you could...
Now you've got it.
No, I would not call you after that. Were. Okay, so she's fired.
Have you ever dreamt of a better version of yourself?
Not really.
Younger, more beautiful, more
no.
perfect. This is the substance. Or the Matrix. Everything comes from you. The one and only thing not to forget. You are one. You can't escape from yourself.
Okay. Interesting. That sounds ominous. And fraught with potential danger. Looking forward to it. Yeah, she went hard on that last night, man. Ugh. Or same day, I don't know. Wait, this is the picture they have up on the this is a perfect thumbnail picture. But yeah, this is the picture they have up on the screen for the movie when they're promoting the movie. That, yeah, I didn't explain that properly, so I figured that shit. Yeah. Ugh. But I love that shot. Oh, and this one too. Oh man, they are amazing. Who? I need to look up who did this get nominated for. Oh, would this be cinematography? I think so. I need to look up whoever did this. I need to look up what what other nominations it got other than Best Picture and Demi
I'd
Moore
like
for Best Actress?
to order 35 North.
Did not accept brief nudity in this, but alright. But also, I think whatever she wrote in her hand is gonna be was washed off a while ago. Oh, is she gonna be, she's gonna audition to be herself? The new version of herself? I think so. I think that's where this is gonna go. Okay, I'm assuming this is some kind of like number. Oh, it's still there. That's like some box or whatever, mailbox or something that is left in. No man, I keep commenting on it, but this is shot beautifully. I love what they've chosen. Over the oh man, and the close-ups and everything, all just wonderful. It doesn't go all the way up. All right. Inconvenient. Oh, I love that jump cut. Oh man, this is just a wonderfully. Oh man, I keep. Yeah. All right, that's yours. Singer use, discard after use. Alright. Food matrix, food auto self. Okay. You activate only once. You stabilize every day. You switch every 7 days without exception. Remember, you are one. So something. Oh, this is shaping up that something is gonna happen and they don't switch, or something doesn't happen as it should, and that's how it's gonna be messed up. Yep.
A better version of yourself.
Her bathroom is very big though. I'll give her that. But the design is kind of lacking. I don't know. Yeah. Big, but it's just lacking. I didn't see any instructions on how much to put, so I guess he just used everything. Man, it makes sense to me. Woo! That you activate only once. Alright. Noted. Again. You see it there? Yep. Whoa. Oh! Yeah, yikes, 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 yikes. Oop. Okay, the other person is coming from her now. How are they gonna do that? Oh! Okay. Woo. Okay, we're getting the perspective from the new body. Cool. Okay. It is still Demi Moore's. I think. Oh yeah, I think it is one. So we still has to kind of coexist at the same time, as in like be present at the same time. Oh, okay. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, intriguing. A lot more nudity in this than I expected. Gonna be an interesting time editing this. I'll tell you that. Gonna be so interesting. So weird having to soap yourself back. Ugh. If you don't know how to do it, you just see this out of luck. It also makes sense now why the guy was feeling her back, her spine, to see how it's still, yeah. I mean, after a while, you just get used to it, you know. You just gotta do what you gotta do. Wow. What an experience, that man.
Hello.
Hi. Stabilize every day. Oh, right. How this work? Ugh. Whoa. Oh, cool. I like that. And the sounds.
We'll let you know by next week.
Thank you so much. I'm just dying to get the part.
She did not get the part.
Great dancer. Too bad her boobs aren't in the middle of her face instead of that nose.
Bitch! I'm sorry.
Next!
Our supporting actress. Right there.
Everything sure is in the right place this time. Please say your name, age, measurements.
I'm Sue.
Where is she?
Okay. And now we're getting Sue's perspective. Cool.
What?
We saw
Gorgeous.
Alright, I see.
Isabella?
Who has time to say that? We're gonna make you Cindy. It's shorter. It's better.
What?
I have to be out of town every other week. Of my mother, who's very sick.
I want you for this show, and we will work around another brother fucking sick puppy you need to take care of.
Okay. I forgot to put on captions.
With a pure heart. People are gonna love that.
I've never used Mubi before, so, you know, my bad there.
Perfect.
first one, they did have to go back to the every 7 days they have to go back to find them again. The place to get more food. I wonder. Duh, yo, so wild. Woo. Her back didn't heal after all. How long does it take for a wound like that to heal? I wonder. I need to look that up. Whoa. He thinks it's Sue, doesn't he?
Where have you been? We've all been wanting.
Oh, my bad. He recognized her.
All chipped in. And we got you just a little something. Keep you busy. Always great to see you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You raggedy bitch.
Ah, okay, I was right. So they have to go back to the place to get the refill. Cool. Almost done. 2 more days. Okay, we're back to Sue. A lot of ass shots, I'll tell you that. There are a lot of other shots too, but...
Roses are red and true friends are rare. Booty, 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 booty rockin' everywhere.
Okay, looking for a place to hide the body during the downtime. Cool.
I thought that Miss Sparkle...
She moved out. I'm the new tenant. Mean about something? Oliver?
What?
Oh, boy.
No. I think it's, like, awesome when there's stuff going on in the building, you know what I mean?
No. Come on. This guy.
Got a big hammer. Day or night.
Okay. Yeah, shut the door on him. Okay. One thing to note, our supporting cast is younger than Elisabeth's own. Okay, I think with this scene, we have more booty shots than full frontal or partial frontal. Oh, okay. Picture of her now. Yep. Is it just one? Yep. She hasn't been in for like 50 years or whatever, like Elisabeth was.
I won't be out late, so just wait for me.
Almost done. So you better get back in time.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
Cut me close. Oof. I think she's gonna start bleeding, and that's gonna lead to them cutting short this session. Hurry it up, lady, hurry it up. Oh boy. It's gonna be a bad decision. Don't do it, don't do it!
You seem even more beautiful than before.
She shouldn't have done that. Oh, it was okay. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
No, 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 no!
What has been used on one side is lost on the other side. There's no going back. Respect the balance, and you won't have any more inconveniences.
Yeah. Damn. I guess you can no longer hire a housekeeper because they're switching back and forth constantly. Like this. With the picture of that finger specifically. Oh yeah. Very good, very good.
Take your time, but it's a date.
You know, bump it up.
No, it isn't a date. What? Okay, what was that?
It's long, isn't it?
What is?
Excuse me?
7 days.
Oh!
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm fine.
No, you're not.
Everything's fine.
No, no.
You still matter. Eating away at you.
Hey! Move!
You're still the most beautiful girl in the whole wide world.
Okay, so so Fred is her now hookup. Alright, cool.
Maybe we could get together and grab a drink? Are you still there?
Sorry, I'm in shock.
Alright.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, I see why she's doing it. She wants to, after that encounter with that old man, she wants to make sure that she's still, you know, of value. I get it. What's she gonna do about the finger? Okay, gloves. She gonna change her lipstick? That yellow coat, man, it's a constant. She's no longer going out. Girl, just go. Go. Is she not gonna go? Knew it. Of course, she's not gonna go. She's no longer coming, Fred. Sorry, Fred. She's not coming.
Head between your legs.
Oh!
Cut! The director said he saw something bizarre on the monitor. Bring up the replay on camera 2. Camera 2?
Can I have my dressing gown?
Oh no. Oh boy, she's gonna be found out. What is that? The super freaky thing is a Demi Moore rap. Whoa. What is that? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Stuffing her face in front of the TV.
Remember, there is no she and you. You are.
People love you. They adore you. They want more and more and more of you.
Are you in?
Yes. Okay, I see the issue. It's gonna be the New Year's show is on a day where it's supposed to be.
You don't open the door when opportunity knocks, you won't get another chance. You of all people know this.
Ugh.
Just one more day, okay?
Oh man. Ugh. Oh man. She's gonna be forced to switch.
She's a selfish bitch.
Would you like to stop? Would you like to stop?
Will you?
Go back to being just you, on your own?
Well, she can't do that now.
I beg your pardon?
I can't stop.
The first time, yeah.
She just...
Oh yeah, that gift. What was the gift? Is she gonna break off the leg? Composure? 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 Look at the teeth! Look at the teeth! Look at the teeth! Okay. I thought she was gonna break off her leg. Oh, I'm glad she didn't do that.
New Year's Eve show? Can you confirm this?
Yes, that's right.
Yes,
Were you a fan of her show?
What's she gonna say?
Jurassic Fitness, really.
Jurassic Fitness.
It needed a change. But my mother was a huge fan of... I guess that's why you can say we have some sort of connection.
Some sort of connection.
A lot of connection.
Bum, 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 bum.
Oh.
Incredibly stunning. I mean, look at you.
I don't know,
Say it! Say it! Here's your little beauty secret.
And to always remember to lead with my heart.
Oh, America's sweethearts.
Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop
Oh man, that's sad.
it, stop it, stop it.
Oh, I love this.
Have to
Control yourself!
shame, isn't it?
Gross, old, fat.
Oh man. Wow, man, wow. Disturbing. Woo. Does she have enough for the New Year show? Yeah.
I'm shocked. This is shocking news.
Yeah. See? Consequences of our actions.
There's no more stabilizer fluid. Hello?
Hang up on her.
It's fucking 5:03.
Yes. You've drained it all out. If you want more, you must let the fluid regenerate. The switch reboots the fluid secretion process, so you can continue to enjoy the experience.
No.
There is no other option.
Sue? Sue?
Oh, I can only imagine what she looks like now.
Babe?
Oh man. Okay.
Open the door.
That was two back-to-back ass shots. See, they love booty shots in this picture. Oh man.
Oh my god!
Oh, fuck out! Who's this? What the fuck?
Yeah, leave. I would leave too.
I want to fucking stop. I want to stop.
We'll deliver.
Oh man.
Sue, I was...
She's moving very sprightly. We're sorry you.
Are you sure?
Whoa.
Once you stop, you can't go back.
She gonna wake up? She's gonna wake up. 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 She's gonna show up. She's gonna show up at the New Year show.
I can't do this. I hate myself.
Oh.
Come on. What? You're the only lovable part of me. You have to come back.
She's not gonna come back.
Come on. Come on.
What? What the hell? What the hell? Oh my, wow. Damn. Oh man. She's still alive? How? She's gonna kick her over. Strong kick. Strong kick. Oh. She's dead now. She's dead. Oh, with the tears falling through the blood. Yeah, love that shot.
Good. Look at the dance.
Is she gonna die on stage? Is it her tooth? Did it come out of her teeth? Or did she cough it up? Oh, yeah. She's gonna take them all out. Oh man.
Okay, so I'll wait for you on stage.
She's gonna activate on herself.
Sue?
Oh, this is where this shot comes from. I've seen.
Introduce you to the shareholders. They have been dying to meet you.
Oh yes, this is the shot. This is the shot.
Is everything
I've seen that.
okay?
I've seen this so often on Twitter, and I have no reference for what it is.
So smile.
She can't smile.
That's what we want tonight.
Yeah.
Pretty girls should always smile.
Oh, come on. Please. I don't want to see this. I don't want to see. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna look at editing, of course.
I just need a better version of myself.
Oh man. I'm simply too stunned to speak. What does the better version of herself look like?
Who?
Whoa!
Sure is in the right place this time.
Yep, absolutely. Monstro Ilasu, alright. Elisasu, whatever it said.
Pretty girls should always smile.
She's my most beautiful creation. I have shaped her for success.
Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Can't wait to see what happens now. Okay.
I'm so happy to be with you tonight.
Is she gonna hurl? She's gonna hurl. Vomit. Oh wait, no, something's coming out of her? Her breast just fell on stage. Nobody's moving? Thank you, normal person. Whoa, okay. No. Oh man. Okay, whoa. That's a lot of blood. See ass shots again. beautiful shot right there. Wow, whoa, man. Oh, well, still going. Great. This is where it ends. Someone's gonna roll over. I'm expecting that to happen. Someone's gonna just roll right over. Oh, nope. Just gonna waste away. Damn. And they're just gonna clean that off, right? Yep. Okay. Dennis Quaid. Alright, cool. Alright, so that was The Substance. Oh, wow. I can see why it was nominated for Best Picture. And I see where it got for Best Original Screenplay and Best Director. Coralie Fargeat. I looked that up in between, yeah. Coralie Fargeat. Demi Moore. Wait, oh, sorry. Let me look back on the nominations. Okay, so Best Picture, Best Director, Best Actress, Best Original Screenplay, and Best Makeup and Hairstyling. Okay. I see why I got for Best Makeup and Hairstyling, because the transformed version of Elisabeth, that the first, up to when she died, that Elisabeth died, that makeup on her, brilliant. It looked so natural, so visceral. It's like you felt there, like it's within you. Not that within you. My bad. It just felt believable. Yeah, so I can see why. And Demi Moore, yeah, I can see her winning Best Actress. She won the Golden Globe. Let me see what else she won. Let me see. Won Best Supporting Actress, Margaret Qualley, Austin Film Critics. Demi Moore won the Golden Globe. Yeah. Demi Moore won Kansas City Film Circle. Alright. Not major awards here. European Film Awards. Okay. Alright. Best Lead Performance, Toronto Film Critics Association. Women Film Circle. Best Actress, Demi Moore. Okay. There's a major one. What's it called again? The BAFTAs, right? They're nominated Best Actress. Okay. So I can't make any predictions right on Best Actress and everything, because we need to see. I'm gonna do a video soon, open to release like the weekend before the Oscars, giving my, or like the during that week, hopefully hopefully by the weekend before, and I've watched most of, if not all of, the Best Picture nominations if I can, so I can give an informed opinion on who I think is the winner, who's gonna win. Let me see. The nominations. Okay, so the nominations are Anora, The Brutalist, A Complete Unknown, Conclave, Dune Part 2, Amelia Perez, Amsterdam, Nickel Boys, The Substance, and Wicked. So I've only watched 2 of these so far. Whew. 8 more to go. So I have access to Dune Part 2 and Amelia Perez. I don't know about the rest. But anyway, enough of that. You can deal with that when you see that video, if you choose to watch it. But now The Substance, Demi Moore, Margaret Qualley. amazing performances, and Dennis Quaid was so hateable. Good job, Dennis Quaid. You deserve your plaudits for being so unlikable in this movie, which is by choice, and you did your job. Thank you. Amazing acting. Love that. But yeah, so Margaret and Demi were the stars of this. And Coralie, brilliant story. Like, and the music and the cinematography, like the shots they choose and all that, amazing work. And like, I'm just stunning that it didn't get nominated for not visual effects, cinematography. Like, cause let me see when I got nominated. Okay, so The Brutalist, Dune Part 2, Emilia Perez, Maria, and Nosferatu. Okay, I've seen none of those movies, so I can't compare. But okay, alright, we'll see. But I really love what they did in this with the angles and like shooting behind the person and then the kind of shaky, and like the person like being half in darkness and half like when Demi was ordering the substance for the first time, and then like the that shot where she's crying in the shower, knocking her head, and then she zooms up through, and they put her in a box. Like, the shower is a box. It's not but it's actually the shower door isn't. The shower door is now a box. And it's showing her mind. She's a box in. Like, she herself is ruining herself because they are one. The substance makes another version of you, and it is you. It's just a part of you. That's what it's trying to convey, and then it's the part of herself that is lusting for the fame and everything, and so it has to survive because it is her, and she needs to survive because she needs the adoration of the populace. She needs to be loved. Which is the exact reason why she ordered the substance anyway, because her star had faded. She was no longer the top of top. She was fired, They were looking for a replacement, and she herself became her replacement because she is her. So, of course, she's the best person to replace herself because she is herself and a better version of herself. So, makes a lot of sense why she got the part. And you could tell this movie is European made because there's a lot of nudity and everything, and a lot of body part shots and everything. So, and interestingly, you didn't see any of the genitals. So, interesting in the crotch area. So that was interesting. They kept it to like there was a lot of the back, the booty, and the chest. So interesting choice. And I don't watch a lot of horror movies, but I could. So you saw me a lot of squeamish and everything. If this is my friend, she loves horror movies, and I have to get her opinion on this. If I get her opinion on this, I'll put it in here somewhere. If not, but to see how a true horror fan, what a true horror fan thinks of it. But me myself, I can't judge it as a horror movie. I can only judge it like a movie, and it was brilliantly shot, amazingly acted, and the music, the score, the sound, when the egg scene at the start, like I said in the beginning, the Foley artist, and I know that when you see Dennis Quaid pull up to the urinal and you hear this amazing work, truly brilliant work, everything done. And only like I'm saying the only lunch part, but you can see you have to have a suspension of disbelief of the substance thing. So what was the whole end scene from the when she's up on stage at the New Year show, that part was kind of outlandish and everything, but I guess you wanted a big spectacle to end it, but otherwise everything up to that, it felt within the realms of this universe's established state. So the established state, everything. So, but then it kind of jumps a little. I don't know if I don't dislike it. I don't like it either. It's kind of like it makes a good spectacle. I don't know. I might have ended it just like that actually I think I might have ended it like that, but I wouldn't have done the blood thing and everything like that. But I understand why, because we opened up after the egg scene. The next thing is the star being made. So ending it on that is great. Call back and everything. So I understand why. But I think you could have just faded to it. Like you just see the monstrosity part on stage and everything, and then everything cuts to that and deleted the vision and everything. I don't know. I could have done that, but it is what it is. But everything else about that, 95%, 99%, well, 98%, loved it. I was truly disgusted at parts, but I understand why it fit what we're doing here, because this is a story about a fame-hungry person who hates themselves because they're old now and they kind of live with being old and a faded star. She needs to be in the limelight, she needs to be loved, and so she forces herself and makes the other part of herself ugly. So she's being outwardly beautiful, which is manifested in Sue, but then her inner part is she just becomes angry and ugly and all of that. And that's just because I think the more beautiful she becomes, the more ugly she becomes on the inside. And the inside is reflected the matrix part of herself. That's the ugly part of herself, which is the inside of herself. And that's why she was so easy to kill herself, the ugly part of herself. But the ugly part of herself was actually the pretty part of herself, the beautiful part of herself, would actually steal herself. So you kill the ugly part of yourself, so you killing yourself, and that's why she was falling apart, because she was still herself. She is one. That's what I kept repeating. You are one. So when you kill that part, eventually you are also going to die. And that's why when the activator was used again, it produced a monstrosity, because the monstrosity, the ugly part of herself, had grown, and it was just reflected in how pretty she became, was how ugly she became on inside. And so when you activated the inside, it became a monstrosity because you're so ugly inside. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, I dig it. Okay, I get it. So now that's me said. Great movie. Demi Moore, Margaret Qualley, Coralie Fargeat. Well done. Good job, everybody in this movie. Good job. I have no more to say. Goodbye.